If you love to ski and you have the ski bug, the Skeezy is a dream come true.
Tonight, together at last, the freedom of skiing and...
She will never care about the numbers because she will never know the word dieting. Multigrain Cheerios invites you to take the Never Say Dieting oath at worldwithoutdieting.ca. Let's make the next generation healthy. She will never care about the numbers because she will never know the word dieting. Multigrain Cheerios invites you to take the Never Say Dieting oath at worldwithoutdieting.ca. Let's make the next generation healthy.
If you love to ski and you have the ski bug, the Skeezy is a dream come true.
Tonight, together at last, the freedom of skiing and the raw power of snowmobiling.
It's never too cold for science.
Alan Nursall chills out in Sudbury, Ontario to answer the question, what makes a beersicle?
This is normal diesel fuel, and this is 100% soy biodiesel. These are the two fuels we're testing.
You'll be shocked to learn which one creates more pollution.
Being in an environment where we can be playful, we're actually learning a lot.
High-level robotics is in full swing at this playground for adults, taking you higher and higher here on Daily Planet. Hello and welcome to Daily Planet. I'm Zai Tong, and we have got a lot of handy science for you guys today. From how much bacteria is in your clothing to how to dial a touchscreen phone outside in the winter without freezing your fingers off. But first, continuing on the winter theme, you guys are all familiar with downhill skiing, cross-country skiing, even freestyle skiing. So you'd think that pretty much covers the whole gamut of skiing, right? Well, guess again. You're about to witness the power of the Skeezy.
It's exciting, empowerment, exhilarating, freedom, a heck of a lot of fun.
Jim and Tim are experiencing all those things riding their new invention, the Skeezy.
We have a motor that turns a track, that pushes a bar, that pushes a skier.
The principle behind this Skeezy is propulsion. Purely propulsion.
Let's use technology to our advantage and have fun with it.
Well, there's one for Discovery Channel.
Jim Maidment has a dream. He wants to make a mark on this world with a new product that could touch a lot of people. His search took him back to the days when he was a kid and his love for skiing. The local ski hill had a T-lift that was just never fully installed.
So we watched that for a few years, waiting for it to be and just dreaming about the day that this T-bar is going to be up and we can go all the way to the top of the mountain. That was quite a climb, you know, with your ski boots and your gear and your skis climbing up and down there as a kid.
Jim figured why not give the power back to the skier so that they can go where they want, when they want.
Whoever thought? I mean, the dream of gas-powered skis is kind of like a fantasy.
For the last 5 years, Jim has been working to make it a reality.
This is the Skeezy I developed to prove that it could be done, that you could actually have gas-powered skiing.
It took a lot of trial and error to come up with this prototype.
This represents, thousands of hours of very focused thought and dedicated passion to make this work.
Since Tim has come on board for business development, they've been focusing on improving the design.
I think the stop has to go up.
All this up here is now right on the ground. Center of gravity as low as possible, and the track wraps completely around the whole unit. It was an evolution in technology, in developing, finding the problems, changing the power bands, changing the ratios, the tracks, the weights. The whole physics of the machine had to be changed a number of times to get it to a point where it is now.
They're using a 4-stroke 8-horsepower engine on the new model. That sets the gears in motion to get the snowmobile-like rubber track running. The more weight pushing down on the bar, the better the traction and power.
I want a seat that cuts my cheeks.
But there's really only one sure way to demonstrate.
Go have some fun. Easy time.
It removes the fear of gravity from skiing.
The Ski-Z does eliminate the need for gravity. It does eliminate the need for a chairlift. It does eliminate the need to travel to a ski hill.
All you gotta do is find some snow and hit the ignition button. It not only takes gravity out of the equation, but it improves balance as well.
You're almost like a tripod between your two skis and the Ski-Z behind you. You can use the machine as a counterbalance to correct your own balance.
So what about skiing uphill?
Oh, there's the question that a lot of people ask is, what's it like skiing uphill? Well, to ski uphill the very first time is totally foreign.
It feels kind of eerie to you. It's hard to believe you actually did that, but it's just a great sense of fun and freedom and power.
Head that way, there's another trail.
This will take you to places that you never imagined you could go. You can move around trees and through narrow gaps to experience outdoors that they've never had the opportunity to experience before.
The brake on the left handle works like the brake on a bicycle. Squeezing it activates a cable to stop the gears. And the wipeouts.
Oh, good one! As soon as your hand comes off the throttle, there's a separation.
You are not actually physically attached to anything.
Really, Jim's not trying to reinvent a sport, just improve it.
Skiing is a very well-established sport. People love to do it because they're in control.